Hi guys, it's Hazelin here again, 100% tasty. This evening I'm doing black cake or fruit cake, or if you want to call it rum cake. So we have fruits here that's pre-soaked, four pounds of fruits that you can soak and grind to your likeness. Some persons don't like to grind them, some persons grind them very fine. I like to grind them with a little bite to it. So here we're going to use a pound recipe. So I'm using 1 pound of butter or margarine of your choice. And I'm going to cream it with 2 cups of sugar, 2 cups of brown sugar. And then I have 8 eggs. For the pound recipe, it's 8 eggs with 4 cups of flour, and of course I'm going to add in some cinnamon and some nutmeg. So let's put our butter and sugar to cream here. Okay guys, so I finished creaming my butter and sugar, so I'm going to add in my eggs now. I've got 8 eggs here. I'll put 4 first. Mix it a bit. Then I'll add the other 4. I don't want to raise it too high, so it will splash. Okay, so now we're going to add 4 cups of flour to our batter. Four cups of flour. To this recipe, you're gonna add 2 teaspoons of baking powder.
Two, 1.
Okay, so I'm finished here. I added in the flour with the butter and sugar was creamed, so I'm going to pour it out into this bowl. And I'm going to add in my fruits and browning. I don't think I mentioned browning before when I was giving you the recipe. So this recipe calls for 1/4 cup of browning. You can purchase your browning or you can make it yourself. It's just burnt sugar really that gives the color to the cake. Okay, so this is our batter here. So this is 6 cups of fruits. I'm going to add it in now. I'm not wasting anything here. I'm not wasting anything. So we're going to start folding it in. We're not going to be mixing again. We're going to be folding in now. You can use a spatula, you can use a hot spoon as I'm doing. It's your choice, whatever you're comfortable with. Right, so here we are. This is what it looks like. So as you can see, it's still not how it should be looking like for a black cake. So we're gonna add the browning now. This is quarter cup here and quarter cup, which makes it 2 cup. 2 quarter cups, which makes it half cup. My mistake, sorry. And I have already greased some of my pans. I'm going to put this to bake at 350 degrees until done. Another quarter cup of browning. It's not going to be very dark. You can add more if you wish to make it darker. Okay, so here I am. I'm just gonna put some cinnamon and nutmeg, but before I do that, let me preheat my oven, yeah? Right, so I put my oven to preheat. I'm gonna add in some cinnamon. Okay, I already put it in the sink, so I'm just gonna put average. I'm gonna eyeball it here now. A teaspoon of cinnamon. And I'm going to grate some nutmeg. Probably about a teaspoon. If you want, you could add other things. You could add probably mixed essence. You could add grounded bay leaf. You could add grounded clove. Any other additives you want to put, you can feel free to do so. I'm just putting some cinnamon and some nutmeg. So I'm going to mix it in. And then I'm going to put, I've got my pans here, they're already greased and floured. See, I greased them and I floured them. Reason being, so the cake won't stick to the pan. Okay. So I'm going to put some here now. Don't make any mess. And what you can do, if you got a scale, you should be getting 4 cakes from this mixture. So you can weigh them and make sure they're equal. So you can get your 4 cakes. So I'll come back to you when it's done baking. I'm going to put them to bake at 350 for about an hour's time. So you test it and make sure it's cooked, and then we're going to pour the alcohol over it after. I'm going to pour, for the 4 cakes, we usually use like 1 cup of rum mixed with a cup of cherry brandy. Or if you want to use rum alone or brandy alone, it's your choice. It depends on your taste. The more alcohol is, the more strong the cake is gonna be. I don't want to get drunk, so I'll see you guys in a bit.
1.
Okay guys, so here we are, finished cakes. This is 2 of them. So I'm going to just stick the skewer all around now. And here we are, as I said before, 1 cup of mixed rum and cherry brandy if you want to use rum alone, or whatever alcohol of your choice. I'm going to soak the cake with it, yeah? And you can do it whilst it's hot, so the alcohol will be absorbed in it. So then it's 1/4 cup per cake. Here I am again. Alright. 1/4 cup. And if you look carefully, you'll see it's starting to absorb already. So there's nothing hard about it, folks. Nothing hard. It's quite easy to get done. Just follow the instructions and enjoy your cake. So again, if you like what has been done here tonight, you can like the video, comment, you can share, subscribe, press the notification bell so you'll always know when I'm on with another video. And happy eating. Bye bye. 100% tasty. Take care now.